In this video, I'm gonna show you how I created an influencer from scratch, and you can basically do the same and let this influencer grow a social media account. At the end of this video, you'll know exactly how you can create influencer with images and videos, so let's just jump right in. Alright, let's start from the beginning. First, we need to create images of our influencer. So I'm gonna go into vidu.com. By the way, I will leave a link to Vidu in the description of the video. And here we're gonna go to images because we want to generate an image. So let's click on generate image. Then we want to go to text to image because we want to have a text prompt that we turn into an image. And here I'm gonna paste a prompt. Now I have this prompt. It is a female fitness influencer. And what you could do is you can just change this prompt to your own liking. So copy paste this prompt. I'll put this prompt in the description of the video, and then you can just change the text to however you want it. So use this as a base. Now, next thing what we need to do is we need to select a model. I'm gonna use Nano Banana 2. Then we have the resolution. Let's do 4K so we have the best possible quality. I'm gonna go for aspect ratio 1:1 because I want to have a simple photo of the girl. Then I'm gonna do amount. Let's do 4 so we have 4 different images. Then we can pick the one we like most. And then I'm gonna just simply create this image. And now we just wait until this is done, and then we pick the best one. All right, the images are done with creating, and now we have to pick the one that we like most. Now we can go for this one, this one, this one. This one looks a little bit weird with the hand, but I'm thinking this one looks best. Let me open up this image and see how this looks. I think we can use this one. Now, the next step is to generate different images from the same influencer. We want to have the same influencer with different clothing, different angles, and different lighting. So let's work on that. Let me first download this image. Then I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna go to reference the image, and I'm gonna select this image. So what it does now is it's gonna use this image as a reference, and now we just paste a new prompt. And you can copy paste this prompt. Again, the prompt will be in the description of the video. And if you look at the text of the prompt, you can see identical face and identity. It's gonna use consistent facial structure, realistic skin texture, etc. But the only thing that's changed is the clothing. So you can see we changed the clothing here to something else because we want to have different shots of the same influencer. All the other stuff like the settings here, I'm gonna leave it as they are. And the aspect ratio, now we can actually use another aspect ratio. Let's say I want to use this for a Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts or TikTok video. Then I'm gonna use the aspect ratio 9:16. And let's generate 2 images. We don't need 4, and I'm gonna click on generate. Next, I'm gonna copy another prompt, and it's basically the same thing but with different clothing again. So this time it's gonna be a casual outfit, oversized hoodie and sneakers, and holding a coffee cup. So it's a totally different prompt, and I'm gonna generate this also. And let's do it for the sake of the video one more. Maybe if you like another one, you can just copy these prompts, paste it there, and let AI generate all these images for you, and then we can pick the best ones. All right, the images are done with generating, and here is the first one. They look identical, a little bit different backgrounds. Then we have this one with the coffee cup walking around in the streets, and we have this one. This looks more like a portrait photo. So let's pick the ones we actually like. I think I like one of these, and let's also do the coffee cup. Let's say this one. I'm gonna download this without watermark, and I'm also gonna do one of these. Let's do this one a bit from the side, and I'm also gonna download this one, and let's say maybe this one. Let's keep them all on my computer. Now the next step, what we need to do is we need to create a reference for our influencer. This helps lock in identity so the face doesn't change every time. So we're basically building our own digital person here. So going back to Vidu, I'm gonna go to assets, and then I'm gonna go to my references, and here we're gonna create our reference. So let's click on create references, and then we can select from static reference, dynamic reference, or prompt reference. We already created her, so I'm gonna go to static reference, and here we can select our reference image. So I'm using this one. This will be the portrait. Then we're gonna add 2 more. I'm also gonna use this one so you see a bit more of her body. And I'm also gonna use the last one so you also see the side of her face, just like that. Let's give her a name. Let's call her Jenny. And by the timbre, we're gonna select some voice. If you wanna add a voice, you can select a voice from the list of voices. Let's do this one, for instance. If you don't want to have a voice, you can also select no voice, and a tag. We don't need a tag. Let's click on next. Now here you can see our style, here you can see the description of our influencer, and let's just click on confirm, and now we created Jenny, our influencer. So basically we have our influencer ready, and now we can generate images and videos from our influencer. So let's actually create some videos to make it look like a real person. I'm gonna go back to Vidu, and I'm gonna go to reference to video. In reference to video, I'm gonna click on references, and then I'm gonna select Jenny. This is the reference that we just created. Then I'm gonna paste a prompt, and basically what the prompt says is Jenny, same person as reference, and she is saying, hello, my name is Jenny and I'm your favorite influencer. So basically I wanna make her say this. Then we have maintain identical face and identity, natural head movement, etc. Again, copy paste this prompt if you want to use the same prompt and just change it to whatever you want. Then we're gonna go to model, and let's try out Video Q2 Pro. The duration, let's do it short, like 5 seconds. In the dubbing mode, you can do sound effects, no dubbing, or sound effects plus voice. Let's do sound effects plus voice. For the resolution, 1080, and here we can set the codec. Now, the aspect ratio, I'm gonna go by 9:16. I wanna have this vertical video. And how much videos do we want? We just want one video. And then I'm gonna click on create and let AI create this video for us. While this is being created, we can create another one. And what I want to do now is I want to use a different image of her. Remember, we created those different images of Jenny, like the one with the coffee cup. I wanna use that one as an image. Let's delete the prompt here that we just had, and I'm gonna paste another prompt. It looks identical, but it is a little bit different. You can see we have Jenny, same person as the reference, but use image, and here we're gonna select the image that we just uploaded. Let me upload this again, and here we're gonna select, instead of image, I'm gonna do add, and I'm gonna select this image. And then let me remove it here from the end. And basically what it does is it's gonna use this image instead of this one to create this video, but it's gonna use the same reference, our influencer. All those other settings, I'm gonna leave it as it is, and I'm just gonna click on create. All right, the videos are done with creating, and you tell me, do they look real or not? Let's have a look at them.
Hello, my name is Jenny and I am your favorite influencer. Hello, my name is Jenny and I like to walk around the streets with my coffee.
So that's pretty much it. If you want to try it yourself, check the link in the description. There is the link to Vidu. If you want to have more AI content like this, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll catch you on the next video.